Hello, everyone. As you can see, we have the child in front of us. It took quite a bit for me to actually obtain the child, however. I pre-ordered the child the day it was announced, and unfortunately, I did it through a specialty retailer. I won't name names. But basically, they were saying that they were going to not have it until December 15th. And I'm like, I know I'm going to have to get it before then. So then I went ahead and went on Amazon. They're like, oh, yeah, we can ship it to you, but it's going to be 2 to 4 weeks. And then I was at Walmart the other day and I'm like, let's see if we can actually find the child. I wasn't able to find him, but he was on the app and I was able to get him shipped next day. So there we are, about 4 weeks ahead of when I was going to get it from Amazon and about 8 weeks ahead of when I was going to get it from the specialty retailer. So that's my story. Anyways, so I was really excited when they first announced the child here, the animatronic child here. I guess I didn't look at the dimensions on it. After we unbox him, I'll give you a better look at him, but he's half scale. He's not to scale. There is a Mattel version of the child, not animatronic, that actually is to scale. So now I'm a little jealous of that. I don't know. Maybe I'll go looking for that. Anyways, so what we're going to do today is we're going to take a look at the outside of the box first. We're going to go ahead and unbox him, and then we're going to go ahead and see what we can do with him. So, yeah. So he looks really cute. He's in the store mode, so we should be able to pat his head a little bit. There we go. I mean, how cute is that? Super cute. And in the background there, you can see that we do have the Mythosaur Necklace, or the Mandalorian Necklace, as some people call them. And then on the side, we've got the child. And then on the back, we do have some more pictures. So apparently we can lay him down for a nap as well. So we'll definitely be doing that. And then just another picture of him. And there we go. So let's go ahead and take them out of the box. We're going to do our best here to leave the box as intact as possible. It's kind of something I try to do. And while I'm going through here, if you have any questions, feel free to ask down below. I do my best to try to answer them as quickly as possible. And if you are liking the video, also please feel free to give it a like as well. Trying to think of the best way to get this guy out. Looks like we got some tape here at the top too. I don't know why I'm trying to keep the cardboard. I usually don't for these types of things, but I don't know. Yeah, all right. So as you can see, he's getting smaller and smaller as we take him out of the box. And then we got some instructions there we'll take a look at in just a moment. Looks like we got, twisties. So we just twist that to the left and he's out. Don't need that. And then we got this guy. Not sure exactly how this is in there, so we'll just go around all the tape here. There we go. Well, that is a cheap-looking Mythosaur. It's definitely not one of the nice pewter ones that you'd find. It is definitely plastic, but this is made for children, so even though it's going to be on my shelf. Anyways, so that's that, and to make sure that nobody chokes, that comes off just like that. And we'll take a look at him later. All right, so bottom of the feet. He is able to stand up. He is not going to be cuddly, however. That is some hard plastic. However, if we take a closer look, the hands are nice and rubbery, which is nice. Take a look at the back. So we are in try me mode, so I'm going to go ahead and put him on mode, just so you can see there. It's a little switch on the back. And it looks like it takes 3 AA's. Yeah, 3 AA's. So yeah, so that's that. there's that guy. To put it to scale, if you guys do go to the subscribe to the channel. We had the A word in the background there. Anyways, if you do subscribe to the channel, here is a 6-inch Black Series figure. So he's maybe about 8 inches tall. So he's kind of tall. I mean, he's not very tall. We'll leave the Mandalorian there in the background. So let's go ahead and try some things. So apparently we rub the head. It just kind of does a little one. Oh, that's kind of cute. Oh, I did it too much. So one tap. So it doesn't do the full thing. We do 2 taps. There we go. Kind of cool. So we've got the movement here on the ears. Super cool. The ears are kind of a rubbery material. The head is kind of a harder plastic. The eyes, as you can see, do move along with the ears and the hand. The mouth, however, does not move. So you get an idea there. Supposedly, if we lay the guy down, it's getting his nap in. Still napping. Wow. Okay, so let's go ahead and get him back up. All right, let's see if there's anything that I'm missing. So I think that's really it. Yeah, pat once, pat 3 times, lay him down for a nap. That is it. And then at the bottom, you take off the feet, you got the 3 AA access points. So yeah. And then, so we can make it look like the picture. We got his... I will say he does sit nicely. He does stand up, so there's no worries about him falling over, which is nice. I always worry about that. So yeah. I guess he does do some stuff. Huh. Interesting. I don't know. Mandalorian did not like that. All right. So, that is the figure. I shouldn't even say the figure. The animatronic figure there. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And he's going. Wow, look at him go. Those eyes are actually really, really cool. I do like that. He is kind of expensive. I'm not going to lie. Wow. You tired, buddy? Huh? Here, go down for a nap. So I'll go ahead and talk a little bit while he's taking a nap. He is probably going to be a pretty decent Christmas present. He's probably going to be a good rush. I should say holiday present. But I will leave a link down below. So if you are interested in learning more about the figure or purchasing, I will give it an affiliate link down at the bottom there. If you like the video and you're interested in seeing more videos from the channel, I invite you to look around. We on this channel, we do a lot of things that a professional geek might find interesting. So, for me as a professional geek, I really like Star Wars. So we do a lot of things that are Star Wars related, but that is not all we do on the channel. We do other things as well, like going to theme parks, electronics, computers, that sort of thing as well, home automation. So if any of that interests you, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. And with that, have a great day.